this week was also Holocaust Remembrance Week. And Holocaust Remembrance Day commemorated in Israel and the Jewish world all over. I will tell you what I am following on Instagram. Did I send you the link for that? I sent it to Jill. They are doing something called Eva Stories.
Yes.
Which is the first. I don't know if anybody knows about this.
I don't.
Okay, you should really follow it. They have over 1 million followers right now. And what it is it tells the story. It's a true story. Eva Hyman, who was a 13-year-old Jewish girl from Europe during the Holocaust, who was arrested by the Nazis, sent to Auschwitz in October 1944, and was ultimately gassed to death for being Jewish. Now, Jonathan,
those were her pictures?
These are pictures from the movies.
Oh, from the movie.
There's two different pictures now. There's her from the 1940s, and by the way, there's over 1 million Jewish children who were killed this way.
What?
Yes, people don't realize how bad the Holocaust was. So when people say this, it's a Holocaust, nothing compares to what the Nazis actually did.
100%.
Okay?
Jeez.
So, when people, everything is bad, by the way. 20, 30 people get killed. It's a horrible tragedy.
Right, of course.
Okay, people use the word Holocaust very nonchalantly now.
Right.
And that is something completely different. So what Eva's Story is doing right now, and they have over 1 million followers, and I recommend everybody follow it, is what if the Holocaust happened today? And people were able to go on social media and show how the Holocaust was happening in real time on Instagram stories.
Yep.
Wow.
So they are recreating Eva's history because they know because she wrote a diary like Anne Frank, but it's not as famous as Anne Frank. About her experience.
That I did read.
Yes. And unfortunately, you see her getting arrested, her family getting arrested in the train, up to now where they're living about 30 or 40 people in a very tiny room, and they're not allowed to leave. And eventually, eventually she will get gassed and killed.
Right.
And she's, showing as what a 13-year-old girl would be doing on Instagram, except it's as if Instagram existed during World War II.
Right.
It really, really brings home what happened.
What happened.
And
that's her. That's
this is from the movie before she got arrested. And
but this is the actual Instagram post.
This is the Instagram post that they're doing. Right. So that was before she got arrested, and the family. So now I'm watching it, and now they just got arrested. They're in a room, but it's going on because of Holocaust Week, and they have over 1 million people following it.
That is amazing. That's an amazing idea.
And unfortunately, her last entry in her diary that was recovered is, "I don't want to die. I don't care if I'm the last person." I'm paraphrasing. But it's, "I don't want to die. I don't care if I'm the last person in this camp, but I want to live. I need to live." And that was her last entry before they killed her.
And this is her way of living still, though.
Yes. So the vignettes are between 3 seconds and 3 minutes.
I'm
it's
actually
just
gonna
like
look
watching
that
an
up now.
Instagram story. It's like watching an Instagram story. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.